A very pleasant morning to everyone. Present here we are the students of SRK Jalalkheda. Today we are here to present a throw-providing skit on the tree. Save environment. Hope you all enjoy this program. Thank you.
Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you must be fine and happy. You must be thinking, who am I? People call me by different names, but I am us. I am the only planet where you can survive. I do so much for you, but you don't even care about me. You have started deforestation everywhere and created concrete jungles and pollution. You call me Mother Earth and worship me. And on the other side, you treat me so badly. If you treat your earth like this, then it is sure I will die. But what about my children? It is impossible for you to live. So don't create pollution and don't cut trees. Save earth, save trees. Thank you.
Oh God, I'm so very hungry. I'm so very hungry. Oh God, please give me something to eat. Wait, Bhakti, wait. I will serve something for you. See, there is a tree. I plucked the fruits from it. It's tasty and delicious fruit. Thank you, tree. Come, Aisha, let us let me behind and also see. Ouch! What happened, Ruti? My leg is hurt. Please help me. Oh, my friend leg is hurt. Help me, help me. My friend leg is hurt. No one is come. What is it? Medicine chant. Let me pluck some juice. Where you got her? Here. You will feel better now? Yes, I am feeling better now. Thank you, plants.
So where last 2 or 4? Oh God, shops are quite far away and it is already evening. Let me find. Is there some nearby? What a wonderful plant. Let me pluck some of the flesh to offer. My mom will be very happy. Oh plant, so beautiful flower. Thank you.
Oh, I am feeling very hot. We need some shade. I can't reach any house or building. Hey, Paridi, look here. The big car. Are you feeling better? Yes, I am feeling better. Do you know? Plants are useful to us because plants give us shade and shelter of many animals. Come, let's